Next is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on November 16, 1975, in Bombay, India.
He said, we don't know where the ingredients came from, but we're
then
sure
why do you
that
talk
there's-
nonsense? That is another answer. You do not know, then what is the use of talking nonsense? You do not know where from these ingredients came. That is nonsense.
But
Our answer is, Krishna is saying, Aham sarvasya prabhava, matta sarvam pravartati. The ingredients coming from me. Now make experiment how the ingredients are coming.
But they say, where did Krishna come from? Where did Krishna come from?
That is Krishna.
No,
That is Krishna.
That
Go to, by and by you go to Krishna, and when you don't find Krishna's cause, that is Krishna. Anadi, Radi. He is Anadi, but he is Adi. That is Krishna.
They say the original ingredients for the explosion, then, according to your definition, is Krishna.
See, never think like that. Krishna is the cause of all causes, sarva karana karana. But he has no karana.
This is Ati Prashna. Ati Prashna ma pruchasva.
Huh?
Ati Prashna.
No, he is after student.
Ati Prashna ma pruchasva.
This is Krishna. That you go, just like you are caused by your father. Your father is caused by your grandfather, his father, his father, his father, his father. In this way, if you go to Krishna, then he has no father. And that is Krishna.
Rainbow.
Yeah. So long you'll find another father, then he is not supreme. And when there is no more father, then he is supreme.
It is very difficult for us to understand the Divya Bhava of Krishna. That is why people are asking this question. Because Divya Bhava is very difficult to be understood.
Therefore it is said, na matin na krishne parato sato va, mitho vipadita grihabhratana, adanta gobhi visatang tamitsam punap punachar vitachar varhana. Those who are simply chewing the chewed, they cannot understand Krishna. Naishang matistavat urukramangving. Niskinchana ragamahiyasa. It has to be understood when we say the same thing. Tattadarshina. Otherwise it is not. You cannot speculate. If you say, as Gandhi said, my Krishna is of my imagination. That kind of knowledge has no value. What you are, you are imagining. Matinna Krishna paratu satova. Paratu satova. Vidya Bhagavata. If one reads Srimad Bhagavatam, then he gets the ultimate knowledge of everything. That is the ultimate end, limit of knowledge.
Tasya karya na vidyate.
Matinna Krishna parato. Nobody can understand Krishna, and they are thinking, in my imagination, Krishna is like this. What is the value of this imagination?
That is why I said, sir, the Divya Bhava is very difficult to tell because it is not held by the Divya Bhava itself.
Therefore Krishna
it cannot be held by the internal
Manusyanam
organ.
sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddha. Unless one is siddha, there is no question of understanding Krishna. Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddha. Jatatam visiddhyana. Even if he is siddha, he cannot understand. Out of many of them, one man understands. And they are trying to understand Krishna by imagination. Just see, we follow. Krishna says, Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddha, jatatam visiddhyanam kaschid. And because one is voted, some big man, Sabhi bir bada ustrakkare samasthuta purusha pasu. He is thinking. he is thinking that I can imagine. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Accept the opinion of a Samskruta Purusha Pasu. Because public votes are there. Although he is a Purusha Pasu, we have to accept. So, Amrish Maharaj, you are feeling all right or not?
Yes, I'm feeling well.
You are taking yogurt, giving khichdi and yogurt.
He won't eat yogurt.
Huh?
He won't eat yogurt. No, I eat it with that sadi sab gold mixed in it.
No, take yogurt
Yogurt.
with black pepper and salt.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Hare Krishna. Jaya. Very good. What is your name? Keshan?
Kirtan.
Kirtan. Ah.
Actually, he comes and dances in ecstasy in the temple.
Very good. Kirtaniya Sadahari.
After the kirtan, we read the Krishna book,
Ah.
and his parents want to leave, but he insists on staying.
Goodbye. Very good. Huh? What is that? Huh?
Giriraj was saying something. Oh yeah, the scientist.
Hmm.
When the reporter asked him where the things come from,
Huh.
he said he doesn't know, but he's sure that he doesn't.
Still
need
he's
God.
scientist. He doesn't know. He's rascal. Still he's scientist. Let's see. Contradiction. He doesn't know. Still he's scientist. One word. He doesn't know anything. But he's scientist. Let's see. Maja dekho.
Then you.
And we have to hear him. The unfortunate position. We say that go for scientific knowledge to a person who knows, who has seen. And this rascal, he says, I do not know. He still answers. Then what he replied? He doesn't know.
But he's sure that they don't need God to explain it.
That he knows. How to deny God. That he is expert. And the newspaper reporter accepted this?
No, he didn't express his point of view, but you could see he wasn't satisfied.
That is the problem. Hare Krishna. Jaya.
Then he asked him about the future.
Future is darkness, because these are scientists. He doesn't know, he still is scientist. Then what is the future? Future is darkness. Because a person who doesn't know, he has become leader. The same thing, the blind man, he becomes the leader of other blind men.
Actually, it's said that if someone says there is no God, then that means that
He's a dog.
He's a dog.
Yes, immediately. Anyone who says there is no God, then immediately he is a dog.
No more words.
No more words. He's immediately a dog. That's all.
If he cannot see throughout the entire universe, from one end of the universe to the other, how can he make the statement that there is no God? He cannot see. And yet they're saying, I don't know.
This is reasonable. No God, it is spoken by pagal. Mad. In Bengal it is said, पागले कीना वाले छागले कीना खाए. पागल क्या ना बोलता है, छागल क्या ना खाता है. छागल, goat.
What the goat does not eat?
Yes.
What the goat does not eat?
It is everything. Goat.
And what the fool will not speak.
Same. There is no discrimination. We can't go this side. पागले किना वाले छागले किना खा. Please.
Now all these pagals are making such a big noise all over the world.
Yes. Nunang pramatta kurute vikarma. And doing all kinds of sinful actions. Kurute vikarma. Because they are pagals. Nunang pramatta kurute vikarma. It is very difficult there.
Yes, sir.
Cross. जैसा बोलता है ना, क्या गवर्नमेंट है, हम नहीं मानते. बस वही.
What is your idea about the secularism preached by our government of India, the policy of secularism? What do they mean by that? That means they say that there is no place for religion.
Yes. Dharmena hina pasavi samana. As soon as there is no religion, the population, animals, that's all. And that is going. Because there was no religion, therefore the government has to declare emergency. Because all animals. So they created first animals, then emergency. This guy. Hare Krishna. Why emergency? If there is human being, then why emergency? All animals. To control the animals, you require some special measure. This is the proof that they are animals. Otherwise, why? Hare Krishna. And that is long ago said, Dharmena hina pasudhi samana. When you give up religion, you are nothing, no better than animals.
Now, what is the harm if I become an animal? Also.
You are already animal. There is no question of becoming animal. You are already animal.
So what is the difference between animal and man?
Because you do not know, therefore you are animal. Therefore you are animal. You do not know what is the difference between man and animal. Therefore you are animal.
Very good.
You're good animal.
This is right answer. When you cannot differentiate between man and animal, then that means you are animal.
And if you admit it, then good animal. Hare Krishna. Who has got this bodily conception of life is animal. That is the definition of animal.
Anyone?
Who is thinking I am this body is animal. यस्यात् बुद्धि गुणपेति धातुके सदिक्फलत्रादिषु भौमैजत् जगतीर्थ बुद्धि सलिलेन करहिति जनेषु अभिज्ञेन स एव गो. Means anyone who is thinking that I am this body.
I am this?
This body.
Mm-hmm.
And in body relationship, she is my wife, she is my child, she is my countryman, she is my race. So, this is Dehatma Buddhi. This is my country. In this way, one is thinking, and little more religiosity is going to holy place and taking bath in the river, but not to the person who knows things. Sayava go. There. Sayava go khara. Go means cow and khara means ass. This class of men are grouped among the cows and asses.
That means they got no स्थिर बुद्धि नहीं है उनको. They cannot.
बुद्धि है नहीं, स्थिर बुद्धि पीछे होगा. बुद्धि है. ये दुनिया यही चलता है. सभी समझता है कि हम हिंदू हैं, मुसलमान हैं, हम इंडियन हैं, अमेरिकन हैं, हम मोटा है, ताजा है, ये सब. वो जो सोल है उसको कोई कौन समझता है? अहं ब्रह्मास्मि ये कौन समझता है? कोई नहीं समझता. इसलिए दिस इज एनिमल सिविलिटी. देयर इज नो स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज. Simply like cats and dogs, they are working hard, eating.
Then what could be the spirit of a man? How do you call him a man?
When he knows that he is not this body, his soul, Aham Brahmasmi, then he begins to be. Then his real
That
identity.
means 90% of the people living in the world are practically animals.
Assets. Very good man. Why assets? And you load the ass with as much cloth, the oserman, and he cannot move, but he will go on, and the oserman will give after that little grass, and he will stand there up to the evening, again to be loaded. The ass does not know that this much grass I can get anywhere, where I become servant of this oserman, therefore he is ass. He will eat 2 chapati, but he is working like an ass whole day.
Yes, and he cannot eat more than 2 chapatis.
That's all.
But
So
he
the
can
ass,
get anyway.
he will eat a little grass, which can be had anywhere, but he is working for the person. Therefore he is ass.
But in the ass, what we feel, there is some egoism in the human being. But that is not there in the gas.
And that egoism also ass has got. That egoism is there in the ass also.
But how do you know it?
Every animal, he knows that I am ass. Dog knows I am dog. Similarly, if you know I am Hindu, I am Muslim, the same concept. What is the difference? If a dog thinks I am dog, and if you think that you are Indian, then what is the difference? Simply by changing the name, you become very big man. The conception is the same.
That point is not clear.
It is clear, just like 2 dogs. He is thinking, I am dog of this quarter, and another dog is thinking, I am this one. Oh, So what is that? Does that make any difference? Only you are thinking Indian, he is thinking American fighting, like dog. What is the difference between the dog and this country?
That point is right.
Yeah.
कितनी बड़ी ज्ञान की बात है
देखो
हैं?
मैंने
कितनी बड़ी ज्ञान की बात है इसको समझने के लिए आदमी को हैं?
यह समझ आएगा आपकी बात ही क्या है। तो निर्लिप्त हो ही जाओ ना आदमी।
कितनी बड़ी ज्ञान की बात है
Make your mind understand is very problematic.
It is not problematic. It requires the association. Association, teacher, then it will be possible.
Association is most necessary.
Yes. Motor was not satisfied. Huh?
Did that?
No.
Reporter was not satisfied.
Then he asked him about the future.
Hare Krishna. What he does not know, what he speaks.
Pandit,
Hare Krishna.
he said the population will go on increasing more and more, and there won't be enough food, so everyone will starve.
He said, scientific.
Yeah.
And what your scientific knowledge will help.
Well, if they drop some bombs, they will reduce the population.
That is very easy. The bomb is also ready. Everyone has got now the nuclear weapon bomb. So the scientists gave the solution. So what is the use of scientific knowledge that is going to happen?
Yeah. Actually, there was one proposal.
Hmm.
It was written in the 17th century in England. That one by one famous writer. That because the population is increasing so much, therefore, if we become cannibals, then the population will be not maintained. Well, that he didn't say.
These are scientists, big men.
So the reporter asked him what were his personal plans for the future. So he said he likes one girl, so he wants to get married, and that's all.
Increase the population.
Our plan is the best because before meeting such catastrophes, go back to home, back to God. This is the best.
Yeah.